Yeah, we are learning actually mod. Okay, we were learning what was necessary for machine learning. Okay, needed. So it seemed quite easy, but now we are going into much deeper. Okay. Okay. It's because I don't want to overwrite the file. Okay, because I want to keep my areas separate in separate file. Okay, I don't want to because in the next time I want to use that for an example. I don't want to work on separating the like predictions and create a new area file. Okay, that's why I created a new file. Okay, yeah, I will share the home price data sets. Okay, I think it's already shared to you in the Google Drive. If not, I will send one more time. Okay. I will check. Yeah, it will be simplified. How I will tell you that Smith, it's right. See, when you do a little bit practicing, okay, all by yourself after this session, we end it. Go through the code file I gave it to you, which I will give it to you. Go through the codes. Yeah, you need a serious practice, yes. And after then, what you do is practice it, and then we will work together on the new data sheet. Okay, so there will be new data sheet, new predictions. We'll do it together tomorrow. Okay, before we start with the new model. Okay, so that time you will be confident. Okay, and you will be working all by yourself and predicting uh, new values. Okay. I will help you understanding this linear regression one more time in the next session. Okay, in like less than 20 minutes, I will help you to understand linear regression. But first, I want you to go through the examples. Okay. Okay, are there any questions? More questions? Hello, students. Okay, no questions. Okay. Shall we end the session then, or should we wait more?
Yes, some students are typing. No questions after practice.
After
Okay.
practice.
Okay, we can, yeah, we can end this session. Thank you, students.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.